In this video, we take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G and determine whether it's still worth the hype in 2024. From its impressive camera system to its powerhouse performance and innovative features like the S Pen, we break down why the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G remains a compelling choice in the smartphone market. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech content. Let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room, the age of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. Despite being a few years old, this device continues to impress with its sleek design, stunning display, and powerhouse performance. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is its impressive camera system. Even in 2024, it holds its ground against newer smartphone models, capturing crisp and vibrant photos in any lighting conditions. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is still a force to be reckoned with. Thanks to its robust processor and ample RAM, it handles multitasking and demanding apps with ease, making it a reliable companion for productivity and entertainment alike. Let's not forget about the S Pen. This signature feature of the Galaxy Note series continues to set it apart from the competition. Whether you're jotting down notes, sketching ideas, or navigating your device with precision, the S Pen adds a level of functionality that few other smartphones can match. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G shines. Even with heavy usage, it easily lasts throughout the day, keeping you connected and productive without constantly searching for an outlet. When it comes to connectivity, the inclusion of 5G support ensures that you're future-proofed for the next generation of mobile networks. This means faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and a smoother overall experience, especially for data-intensive tasks like streaming and gaming. Now let's talk about why you should consider picking up the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G in 2024. Despite being a few years old, it still offers a premium smartphone experience at a more affordable price point compared to newer flagship models. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to experience the best that Samsung has to offer, or a professional seeking a reliable productivity tool, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G has something to offer for everyone. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, yes, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is still worth the hype in 2024. Its combination of premium design, powerful performance, and innovative features make it a standout choice in the crowded smartphone market. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.